Hello guys, and welcome to my channel. This is a very quick video. I just want to do the unboxing of the Xp-pen. The Star G430s is the model. Yeah, we are back to the Xp-pen because I have used it before, and here is the status of my old graphic tablet. It looks like this, and the reason I had to buy a new one is because of it was broken over here. The cable, it was coming out and it stopped working, so I decided to get a new one, and that was the Huion, which is this, the 420 Huion. So I got this, and to be honest, I don't like it, and the reasons are because my videos are lagging and they keep freezing, and I think most of it is because of it needs the internet, and I can't really rely on the internet 24/7. And sometimes I just want to be able to draw from my bed or on my lap when I'm sitting, basically anywhere, and this doesn't give me the freedom to do that. I have to be stable on my desk for me to get a very good outcome, and or for it to even work properly, because it just doesn't work for me. If you have this tablet, let me know how it's been for you, because for me, I don't have any positive reports. So I decided to, for my sanity sake, I decided to go back to the Xp-pen, which was my original tablet. And yeah, based on my review for the Xp-pen, I have never had an issue with it. I just plug it on. I don't need a battery like the other one. And yeah, it just works, and I can use it on my bed, on my lap, when I'm sitting on a chair somewhere. And as long as I've hooked it, it works perfectly. So yeah, we're back. So this looks bigger compared to the old one. I mean, as in the old one looks bigger than the new one. So we'll see if it's exactly the same. I'm hoping it's exactly the same, because I don't want any surprises. So yeah, let's get straight into it. As you can see, it's literally wrapped up like straight from the bag. So we are gonna open this with you. So as you can see, I needed scissors, and that's what I'm going to get, because I can't do this with my teeth or hands. I'm not really smooth when it comes to opening things, but I will try. Allow me to get out of frame. Some things just don't fit like you want them to. Anyhow, so let's see if it's the same as the old one. I have such good reviews for this tablet, because it's never really disappointed me, other than the fact that the cable came out. I was gonna get the, what do you call it, the Wacom, but I'm not so sure about investing in something and then I have the same problems and issues with the internet. My brother has one, so maybe I'm gonna try and use it from him, and then see if I like it, and maybe then I'll progress into a Wacom that uses the internet and has a software application. Yeah. For this now, this is what you're gonna use. It's cheaper, and I think it's affordable. I mean, I think the high one, it's called the Huion. The Huion is actually cheaper than this, but you know, there's always that but we had an issue, so clearly I had to spend a bit more and get my old graphic tablet back. And yeah, I'm just hoping that I'll be able to use this like I used to, because I was always happy with the results. So yeah, that's how it comes out. And this was very straightforward the last time. It was my first graphic tablet, and I'll see it came through for me. Oh, okay. Yeah, opened it the wrong side. My bad. So yeah, this is everything that's in the package. Yeah, the box is empty for those who want to confirm. Nothing in there. And yeah, so this is what it comes with. Like the other one, it has the applications and the pen, and basically you just plug it in and it works. And then this is the tablet itself. So just like that. Wait, ta-da! Let me see if it's the same as the one I had in the beginning. Fits just like the old one, exactly the same. Yeah, just that it's new. So I just thought I'd come back here and give you a review of the pen. This is what it looks like, same as the old, and it has these two buttons. I think you can decide what they do, but I think they are mostly the click and the undo, if I'm not wrong. I don't remember, but yeah, I really loved this graphic tablet and it was amazing to me. So, you know, you gotta stick to what you know. So yeah, that's it for today. If you're following me, if you're not following me, remember to subscribe and hit the like button, leave your comments below, and yeah, see you in the next video.